Alright, I'm back. It's been about a week or two since I last filmed. It's been pretty busy since then. I'll show you what I've gotten done so far. Wet sanded, buffed. So wet sanding came out really good, smooth enough. All of this looks fantastic, very shiny. Clear coat actually held up really well. I'm glad I put as much on there as I could, or as I did, so it came out really good. I do still need to wet sand this whole top section here to fix the sags that were there and the orange peel, which I don't know how well you can kind of see up here how bad it is. And the only spot where there's any real sag that's noticeable is like right here. So I'll see if I can fix that. I can't tell if it's from the base coat, which I think was the worst spot, and if the clear just laid out over it. Other than that, I can't really see any of the other base coat sags that were there. So we're gonna roll with it. Okay, now you can really see just how much orange peel there is on this thing. And yeah, it's pretty rough. So we're gonna wet sand it, buff it, and call it a day. Alright, so wet sanding is done. Now we are gonna start buffing. So yeah, check it out. Much more smooth than before. Oh, I can see that on camera really well. Oh yeah, I can see it right there. So we'll see how that looks after it's buffed. The other, that's right there. Doesn't look too bad, all things considered there, so not too bad. Okay, let's get this thing buffed. All right, we did it. It's done. Okay, I got the bumper all assembled finally, and decided we're gonna throw it on. I need to order some new impact strips for it. Other than that, it's pretty much good to go. The one thing that I did forget to paint was the tow hitch cover, or tow hook cover, whatever you want to call it. I think the one that's on the old bumper will be okay. It's probably going to look a little bit out of place, but it's small. It should be easy to just patch spray. So I'm going to put it on there, and then we'll figure all that out here in a bit. Got the old bumper off.
Get out, get out.
There's pieces on the corners I need you to pull up. That's it. I think that's the end of this episode. So thank you for watching.
This is Stray Sixon.
Peace.
This is Stray Sixon. Like and subscribe.